Remember say you did say you have one place.
Oh yeah man, me still the room today, same way.
We are gonna make some rules now.
What do you mean I make rules? This is not your house. You forget?
Oh, we forget to tell her. I'm my name on the list now.
Honestly, Roxanne, I think you need to talk to him because he's a very intense person. He come on to money.
How fashion is
It don't matter. What you do?
Roxanne, I'm money having in my house. So
When
make
you
sure
stop treating me like a child.
when you start act like an adult and pay bills. You need to get your act together. It's been a year since me tell you say yo, get a work, help me pay bills then. Are you rent a place now? I ain't not pay 1 billion. Just be honest with me. You have a job?
A woman me name. Me can't suffer. So if me tell you say me have it under control and make a find a job, me have it under control and make a find a job. Why you need to do all of that?
Yeah, woman and you can't pay your bills then.
Well, my mother recently.
No bother with the foolishness. No bother with the foolishness. Roxanne, me a no idiot, you know. Me know see your mother well alive. She alright.
Oh, that too. Me I tell you say my mother recently dropped out. Oh, because me and me.
No, you're not my maid. You're my broke roommate.
Yeah, me I kill him.
Back up, wait. What you mean you kill him?
Yeah, the two of me I kill him.